Hi everybody, right, now we're going to do the other axis, backwards and forwards axis. No doubt someone will tell me which is which, but I suppose it's different for everybody, I don't know. Anyway, this I got out of another HP printer, and as you can see it's a lot fatter, beefier and all the rest of it. So I'm going to be using this for the bottom bed. Okay, so we've got a 2 foot square board, 2 foot by 2 foot, and I'm using a marker rather than a pen or a pencil, because this measurement doesn't have to be perfect. You know, within 5 mils, fine. Right, so that's at a foot there. Now, measure the length of this, which is 16 inches, which means that we're going to have two, 4, 6, 8 inches left. So that's 4 inches either end. So what we'll do is we'll just mark 4 inches there, and then we'll measure to the centre of the motor from the edge of there, which is 1.5 inches. Here we go, 1.5 inches, and that's where we're going to stick our motor down through. Okay, well, when I'm ready to get that out, I'll come back to you. Since you've been away, I've mounted the other axis carriage in, and all I've done to lift it off the deck to where I want it is I've used, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, yeah I think so, I've stacked 3 nuts the same thickness to give me spacers, and I've cut a hole in the baseboard for the motor to drop down through. And then on the other side, to allow this to be level for taking the table backwards and forwards, is I've taken the original carriage that I was going to use for this, flattened out all the pieces on the back, and then screwed it down in position so that the slide now sits nicely on that rail and just needs a bit of grease so that it can be used properly. So there we are. Now if I come back here a bit, you can see it in all its glory. Sorry about the sun. Let's go over the other side, see if that gives you a better view. Might do, I don't know. But anyway, that's how far I've got so far. Haven't sorted out the encoder wires yet from this motor. But that motor on the backward and forwards table hasn't got an encoder on it, but I do have, which I think I mentioned before, I can't remember, I do have a geared motor with an encoder on the back, for the Z-axis, and I'm hoping that's going to be man enough. It should be. It should be no problem at all. But this is pure experimental. Never done this before. I can't find anybody on YouTube who have done this before. Not to this degree. They've used printer carriages and said, this is my CNC working. You get about a 10-second video, and then you go into their channel, look for the construction videos, and there aren't any. That's why I'm maybe going overboard a bit in the construction of this one and the filming of it, because I want other people to be able to build this if they're going to be building my nice EV. But also, if they're not going to be building my nice EV, then this will help them do printed circuit boards and anything else that they can dream of. So just got to keep going. Alright people, well I'll let you go for now and be back when I've got something else ready to show you. Okay, bye for now.